Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud. To know how to fix any issues that you have on SoundCloud app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to the window of SoundCloud. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click on clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.